The topic of today's video is how to sell Bitcoin on Bitcoin.com. Alright, so the first thing that we want to do is, of course, head over to Bitcoin.com, make sure we're logged in. And then what we want to do is go to the top here where it says buy. Then in here, we're going to move over to sell. Now here you can put in the amount of BTC and it's going to show you how much of your currency you're going to get for that. You can click on the side here to change the currency. So here you can choose how you receive your funds, so either credit card or bank. And it's important to notice that when you send to your bank, the amount of funds you receive will be different. So keep that in mind. Once you've chosen, just go sell BTC. From here, it's going to redirect you to whichever payment group you are using. So for us, it's going to redirect us to MoonPay. And here, it's going to give you that review again. If you're happy with everything, hit continue. Then you're going to input your email address. And from there, they will send you an email with the rest of the steps to complete your transaction. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. Do keep in mind that this is in no way any type of financial advice. Any type of loss that you take, you will be held responsible for it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.